Hey guys, Allan Builds here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a cylinder compression test. I'm going determining the amount of compression in each cylinder. The purpose, if it's any cylinder making less compression or normal. If the engine cannot compress air, it cannot produce power. To get this procedure, making sure to disable the fuel system. I already removed the spark plug and fuel pump relay, so we're not getting any fuel into the cylinder while we operate it. And the car must be in operating temperature. I start the car in 20 minutes. And the spark plug guys has been removed. This car got a 4 cylinder. And the fuel pump relay I'm going to remove. The brown one. This one. And that's the result guys. The first one is 164 psi, the second one 167 psi, the third one 175 psi, and the fourth one 180 psi. That's pretty healthy engine. Yeah, this is the hose guys. I'm going to thread into the cylinder. Then I'm gonna hook this pressure gauge up to the hose. The pressure gauge must be 0. Yeah, I'm gonna hook this up like this. When I'm gonna go in the car to start, this car won't start. I already disabled the fuel system. So you can see the result guys. How many PSI the first one. 164. To, to release the pressure, just press that. Then I'm gonna do the second cylinder. (167 psi), the second cylinder. Release the pressure. I'm gonna do the third cylinder guys. The pressure must be 0, back to 0. That's 175 guys. 175 psi the third cylinder. And this is the fourth cylinder. I'm gonna do fourth cylinder. That's 180 psi guys. I'm gonna install the spark plug back on. This is Honda CRV 2014 fourth generation. If you have Honda CRV 2012 up to 2016, that's fourth generation, so that's perfect guide. This is the fuel pump relay, guys. I'm gonna put this back on. This is how you do the cylinder compression test. If you think this video is helpful, just smash the like button, share, and consider subscribe. Thanks. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.